Kenya is celebrated for its ethnic diversity, but beneath that diversity lies a hidden reality. Thousands of people live within Kenya's borders without being recognized as citizens of any state. They are stateless. And this paper asks a question that goes to the heart of justice. What does it truly mean to belong? This paper makes three interconnected arguments. First, that statelessness in Kenya is not an accident of history. It is a deliberate outcome of colonial governments. The Scramble for Africa, the Berlin Conference of 1884, drew arbitrary borders that divided communities, stripped peoples of belonging, and created categories of natives and aliens that persist to this day. Second, drawing on a rigorous qualitative and documentary research methodology grounded in the theoretical frameworks of Hannah Arendt's right to have rights, Agamben's concept of bare life, and Lovu's coloniality of power, the paper argues that stateless communities are not passive victims. They are active agents who forge livelihoods, maintain cultural practices, and struggle for recognition despite their legal exclusion. Third, and most urgently, legal citizenship is necessary, but it is not sufficient for belonging. Between 2016 and 2020, Kenya granted citizenship to the Nubian, Makonde, Pemba, and Shona communities. Yet, social discrimination, bureaucratic obstacles, intergenerational trauma, and ethnic tension over shared resources persist. The paper's central contribution is this: meaningful integration requires intentional cultural sensitization. That is, community dialogue, cultural festivals, exchange programs among leaders, and economic empowerment through indigenous knowledge and creative industries. At a time when Kenya has pledged to end statelessness by 2024 under the UNHCR's I Belong campaign, and as an urbanization accelerates across Africa, this research speaks directly to debates on decolonization, urban justice, and the Sustainable Development Goals of SDG 10, 11, and 16. This paper matters because it bridges theory and practice. It does not stop at diagnosing the problem, it offers a roadmap. If you care about what it truly means to decolonize African societies, not just politically, but socially, culturally, and psychologically, then this is essential for reading. Read it, share it, because history should not be forgotten and belonging should not be a privilege.